Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share something very special with you. It is my own story, the story of how I went from a beginner in English to speaking English fluently in just 5 months. Yes, only 5 months. It was not magic. It was not easy, but it was possible. And if I can do it, trust me, you can do it too. So today, I will tell you my journey, from the first day till now. I will share what I did every day, what mistakes I made, and what secrets helped me improve fast. So let's start. Part 1. The beginning, month 1. 5 months ago, I was a complete beginner. I knew some English words, but I could not make sentences. I was shy. I was scared. I thought, English is too hard for me. But inside my heart, I wanted to change. I wanted to speak freely. I wanted to talk to people without fear. So I made a decision. I said to myself, no more excuses. From today, I will learn English every day. In the first month, I focused only on listening and words. I watched simple English videos. I listened to children's stories, because children's English is very easy. I also wrote down new words. Every day, I learned 5 to 10 words. At first, I was very slow. Sometimes I forgot. Sometimes I felt lazy. But I reminded myself, I must practice, even if it is only 15 minutes. Part 2. Building the habit, month 2. In the second month, I started speaking small sentences. I remember the first time I said, "Hello, my name is..." It was funny. My voice was shaking, but I felt happy because I spoke English. I started talking to myself in English. For example, when I woke up, I said, "Now I am brushing my teeth. Now I am eating breakfast." Yes, it was simple, but it worked. Slowly, my mind started thinking in English. I also made a small rule. No subtitles while watching English videos. At first, I did not understand, but slowly my ears got stronger. I started catching words. That month, I also found a language partner online. We practiced 10 to 15 minutes every day. Sometimes I made mistakes. Sometimes I forgot words, but my partner was kind, and every mistake was a new lesson for me. Part 3. Confidence growing, month 3. By the third month, something amazing happened. I was not afraid anymore. Of course, my English was not perfect, but I was able to make conversations. This month, I focused on reading and writing. I read simple English stories every day. I also started writing a diary in English, 1 or 2 lines every day. For example, today I went to the market. I bought some apples. The weather was sunny. It looked very simple, but this small writing practice improved my grammar. Because when you write, you see your mistakes clearly. I also started shadowing practice. Shadowing means listening and repeating at the same time. I played an English video, and I tried to copy the speaker. This helped my pronunciation a lot. That month, I realized one thing. Consistency is more important than talent. Even if you practice only 20 minutes every day, it is more powerful than 5 hours once a week. Part 4. Real conversations, month 4. In the fourth month, I pushed myself more. I started joining online English groups. I spoke with strangers. At first, it was scary. My heart was beating fast. But after 2 or 3 calls, it became normal. I also started watching English movies, not with subtitles, but with patience. I watched one movie 3 times. First time, just watching. Second time, listening carefully. Third time, repeating the dialogues. This was fun, and I learned real-life English, like how people joke, how they react, how they use small phrases. I also made a don't translate rule. I told myself, no more translating from my mother tongue to English. If I don't know a word, I explain with simple words. For example, if I forget the word knife, I say, that thing we use to cut vegetables. This way, I kept speaking without stopping. Part 5. Fluent Me. Month 5. By the 5th month, I felt a big change. My English was not only better, but also natural. I was speaking without thinking too much. I was enjoying conversations. I could watch YouTube in English, listen to podcasts, and understand most of it. Of course, sometimes I made mistakes, but I stopped worrying about perfection, because communication is more important than grammar. This month, I also gave myself a big challenge. I recorded a video of myself speaking English for 5 minutes. When I watched it, I was shocked. I looked confident. I sounded confident. It was me, but a new me. Lessons I learned in 5 months. So friends, that was my 5-month journey, from zero English to speaking fluently. Here are some lessons I learned. 1. Start small, but start today. Don't wait for the perfect time. Practice even 10 minutes today. 2. Consistency is magic. Every single day practice. Even little practice becomes a big result. 3. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teachers. 4. Think in English. Stop translating. Use simple words. Explain with what you know. 5. Make it fun. Watch movies. Listen to songs. Talk with friends. Enjoy the process. Friends, if I can learn English in 5 months, you can too. I am not special. I am just consistent. So if you are starting your journey, believe in yourself. Practice daily. Don't give up.